There's a bunso. Saan tayo na? Din muna tayo sa mga dinosaur. Doon muna tayo sa dinosaur. Pupuntahan ni Lu. Ang tangkad ni Kuya. Grabe. Tignan mo nga, Daddy. Lapit ka kung gano'n kakatangkad. Wow! Babay ko! Oh, Lucas oh! Ayun, wala si Kuya. Kasi dito rin mo. Lucas oh! Galing mo ba? Meron pa indoor playground. Bouncing. Do you like that? Huh? Oh, bouncing.
Umakit ba ba?
Hi, baby.
Hi, Lucas! Hello ka, Daddy! Hello ka, Daddy! Lucas, look at Daddy! Hey! Hi! Lucas! Lucas, can you say hi to Daddy? Thank you! Bye-bye! Bye! You had fun?
Are you happy?
You had fun? You had fun?
They brought precious gifts with them to honor the Christ child. Gold, for the King sent us his only Son to become man, to save us from our sins. That even through trying times of suffering and hardship, we should reach out in prayer, be kind, and love one another. We are very pleased to bring you ourselves, our time, our talent, and if we can, our treasure.
What are you saying?
They're pushing? It's like a bump car, no? But it's in the water.
Are you excited? Where I go dino? Are you excited? Excited Dino?
Yes, but you're not allowed to.
And excited yung bata na gusto na.
No.
Get it
You're not allowed to.
Gusto niya kunin.
No. Dito tayo na sa dinosaur, oh.
Hintayin natin yung dino.
We're waiting our turn now.
Excited yung bata na. Hintayin ng dinosaur. Ay, guwapa naman. Gusto ng dino. Ayan, tapos na sila. Oh. Tayong bata. Nasa turn na.
long, long time ago, the Lord our God, everyone had to be counted in tax. Joseph, Bethlehem, they found the child and his mother. Tradition tells us the wise men were named Melchior, Gaspar,
Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Papa Jessica!
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Lucas, oh! Why? What happened to you?
Sit down properly.
Lucas! Uy, what happened to you? What happened to you? Lucas! Move!
Parang pili ko mahulog si Luke.
Lucas! Bakit? Hi! Wala na ito kapag umiikot to. Galing! Tapos na, uwi na kami. Siya mismo yung pumunta dun. Guys, tapos na kami COD ba?
Call of Duty.
Tapos namin
Christmas on display.
Tapos namin COD. Nag-enjoy ba yung baby ko?
You had fun?
Yeah,
Oh,
so,
Mommy's asking.
are you happy?
Yes.
Lucas is happy. So, pupunta naman kami. Si Lucas yung masaya kanina. So, ngayon si Daddy naman papaligahin natin.
Kung
Let's go.
meron.
Let's go na sa sa gateway. Hanap tayo ng shoes. Ni Lucas to. Ang sarap ka. You like this? Ay, Lucas food oh.
Don't fluid kasi
Sinigang
na.
na food. May makulit na bata.
Ba't don't fluid kasi na ke?
Wow, sure.
That's not how you drink kasi. You drink it properly.
Is it tasty, Daddy?
Sour naman. Should what?
Oh.
Where? What's this? What letter is this? Oh, that's enough. That's okay na. Okay na yan. Okay na. Enough na. After nung iyo, okay na yan. Okay na. Okay na, enough.
Done na.
By this turn,